It's Dylan's son, and today is the moment we've been all waiting for. I'm gonna be showing you guys what I look like today with my webcam. So I'm gonna have a webcam today. So let's count down. Ooh, drum roll. What's up, you guys? But we're gonna be playing Minecraft. And actually, I'm offline right now, so I won't be able to upload this video until like tomorrow. So that's when you guys are gonna be seeing this because my Wi-Fi adapter actually broke, which sucks. But I have one coming tomorrow. It should be here by Sunday, and today's Saturday. But besides that, it's all good. I just wanted to make a video. I'm able to edit it still, but I'm gonna be posting it tomorrow. So let's get into the video. Yo, you guys, I'm in. Um, we are playing hardcore mode, just because I'm offline and I can't play no servers. But tomorrow, I'm actually gonna be making a. It's gonna be a prison. We're gonna be playing prison, so stay tuned for that. And we're gonna see how that goes. So basically, what I have going on is I added elevators to this. I don't know if you guys saw this or not, but I ended up adding elevators to go down because I got tired of the ladders. And I am in the middle of extending, full on inventory, extending the chest room, so that it's almost full. Oh, can I get out? It's almost full basically, which is actually a good thing. I've been AFK doing this, but I also haven't played in like 2 days because that's when my Wi-Fi adapter broke, and I just ordered a new one yesterday. So this is as full as it got. I got a Silk Touch pickaxe now, which I don't know if you guys saw, but my it didn't grab the spawner. So if you didn't see that video, go check that out. Um, really quick. Okay, let's get that. Put that there. We're just gonna go dump out my inventory real quick. I don't care where it's at, but we're gonna do this. Dump this out real quick, and we have something special to do. We actually need bucket, iron. We will take my bow, and then let's see, feather falling. We should be good. Oh yeah, and I also end up getting 4 set of armor. See, I'm off my. Alright, so let's go find that cave system. You guys. Oh, what the heck? How did you? You saw where I was going. Wait, there's an Enderman. Come on, dog. Yeah, that's why you're dying to water, dog. Huh. No, I need ender pearls for something that I want to get done. But, no, it just won't let me have it. I'll be back actually, since, yeah, it just killed an enderman. So I'll be right back. You guys, I think I'm onto something. I think I'm onto something. I remember this spot. I think I'm onto something. You guys, I found it. So this is gonna be it. So what we need to basically do, we need that. So we need to, of course, light up the place because I'm not getting anything spawned on me. Alright, let's just light up the place. Alright, we need to dig this down and dig this out. So I'll be back when I got this all dug out. Alright, so you guys, this is what I have so far. I'm still digging out, but I just want to give you guys an update on what I was doing because it's just good for updates. But so this is basically what I have so far. So I dug this out basically, and this goes from 8 length. And I think that's all I'm gonna do for now and see if this starts to work. But what we want to do is basically just cover this up. So we're gonna use cobblestone for now, and then we will make it pretty in between episodes. So let's do this and cover this up. And then I want to make fast transportation back to this place, so I can like maybe a minecart or something. But I want this to be a speedy place, way to get to this place, so that I can just run, come get my experience, and then yeah. I'll respect that because that's a no-no. And what I'm gonna need is some more iron because I need hoppers. So we're gonna have to place hoppers there. So this is where the hoppers are gonna go. And then there's gonna be chests for it. Oh, I need wood. I didn't think about that. Alright, so I'm gonna clear this out real quick, so I'll be right back so that I can make my way back up because I wanna make like a mine cart place to come and just run and come do this. So I'll be right back. Really quick, you guys, I'm just running into my house so that I can get the other materials that I need. See if I have more iron. So I have iron blocks actually. That should give me a lot. And then minecart, I have chest actually, which I do need. What else? What else do I need? So I just have all that. Alright, real quick, I'm just gonna go make the other stuff that I need. So let's pop that in there. I'm a little laggy all of a sudden. I don't know why, but yeah. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Probably like 8. Oh wait, no, this gives you. This gives you 2. So like probably like. There you go. And then what else? So redstone I'm gonna need definitely. I don't know why I made 2, but I did. So is it like this? I'm pretty sure. Alright, so like this. If you do this, it will, and then you just flip it. It should give you the experience, right? Alright, so what we're gonna do is get rid of these backlights. See how. Okay, 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 okay. Go, go. Uh, you can. You guys are killing each other. Damn. I don't think they're gonna be able to kill me, to be honest. I need one more. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna change this out for cobblestone so that matches. Okay, so far I think that should be good, right? Alright, let's fix up the lighting. The lighting needs to get. There needs to be more lighting. So far we got that. Alright, so. Okay. Can you still shoot me? So yeah, I guess it works. Okay, they still shoot me though. That's the thing. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna end this video here. I'm gonna end this video as a porcupine, but yeah, forgot my webcam was on. But yeah, um, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for daily uploads. Hopefully daily uploads. Maybe daily uploads. Yeah. But that was said, all I gotta say is peace out.